All right, boys, it's time to go get this tuned and be done with, because I am tired of working on this thing. It's time to enjoy it. Let's get on with it. My wife's gonna be following me. Give me a ride back home. Man, you guys have no idea how happy we are about this, because it's been such a long time coming. Oh man. So for those that stuck around for the entire build, thank you guys so much. For any of my new subscribers, there's an entire playlist of every single thing that was done to this car. Everything I recorded, almost everything. I think 99% of it I recorded. Some boring stuff that I didn't want you guys to see, but if you want to see the entire build from the ground up, it's all on my YouTube channel. And we're here.
Hey, come on in.
VIP.
Good, sir.
All right.
As long as the fuel system is overkill and you got a good computer behind it, like I can do a lot with that.
Yeah.
That's what
I'm talking about. Damn. So before we get into the rest of the video, just gonna catch you guys up on what we did to the car. So real quick, the car is fully tuned, and honestly, I would really like for all of you to go over to Trackstar's YouTube channel. And I know a lot of you guys ask me, well, what is involved with tuning? What are they doing to the car? About, you know, all these questions that honestly I don't have the most knowledge on. So go over to Trackstar's YouTube channel and look at their latest video. It is everything they did to this car, and you will be able to get a good understanding of what tuning is, how much work goes involved into it, all the details. So with that being said, the car is completely tuned. I did switch over to these big boy coils, so we will never ever have any spark issues. Did max out the turbo around 30-ish PSI. It runs amazing, really good. I mean, she's ready to rock and roll. We don't have the best weather to enjoy the car, but since it's like a yearly tradition, I always take out one of the cars in the snow or ice, whatever this is, and try to do a burnout. So this is the car of choice, or the only car that I have right now that works. Papa, get away from the exhaust. No, hey. Oh, kids, get away from that. No, you can't be breathing all that in. think, Papa? You like that? Huh? Your first burnout. Say yay! Alright. I don't know if he'll make it into the backyard, but I'm gonna try. Whew, still smoke in here. What do you think, Papa? You want me to roll up the window? Yeah, it's still a little smoky. Never mind, I'll keep the window down so the smoke can come out. I'm not sure you guys can see it. Whew. Alright, let's see if we can get into the back. Oh, I don't think so. I'm not even moving. Look. Yep. Looks like I'm stuck. Damn it. What about reverse? Nope, I can't go in reverse either. Shit. Oh boy. Yeah, it was the same thing that happened last year with the Mustang. Damn, I am stuck though. There we go, we're moving, we're moving. Direction. All right, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna put it back in. I do not want to get this car stuck in the backyard. I've done that with the truck and it was there for about 2 weeks. Let's go back in, Papa. That's if we can. That's if we can get the car in. Oh, now I'm going sideways. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, I don't know. I can't get in. Oh damn it! I'm getting way too close to this. Woo! This is not what I thought was gonna happen. Yeah, that's a shifter. Yeah. Yeah, let's put it in first gear. Alright, go, come on, turn. Oh boy. Alright, we got success. Woo! Alright, we're facing the garage. Now I gotta get the jack out of the way. There's a little baby. Yeah, I got stuck. I got stuck right there. I couldn't get the car to move. I was forward, backwards. I did a pretty nasty burnout right there. What's up, baby? Look at that. You ready to get on the car? Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna put the car in. I was gonna take it to the backyard, but I'm probably gonna get stuck. Like I couldn't even move here. Yeah, but look at that. Ice everywhere. He's stepping on all the brand new seats. It's a car, dude. I don't understand why people start like, oh, I'm not gonna drive it in the snow. I gotta be so careful. It's like, whatever, dude. That's what they're designed for. To enjoy. And I cannot make it up in the garage. Damn it. Alright. Oh dude, you just scratched up the entire shifter. Whatever. There's no point of getting upset. It's a damn part. It can be replaced. Oh, got it. I'm not hitting anything. And we're in. Woo! Alright. That fuel pump's loud. Dude, I'll get you out the other side. You don't have to step on the brand new center console. Dude, you locked the door on me. And you don't need to scratch that window either. Come on, get up. Yeah, let's go. Hopefully, at least that's a demonstration. Whoa, fuck. That's a whoa, fuck. If I don't step here, that is very slippery. But hopefully that's a demonstration at least of what the car sounds like. And you guys saw in the beginning how it runs. It's really, really strong. you know, if you guys want to talk, you know, so I always say YouTube horsepower. So you guys want to talk YouTube horsepower, it made what, 750 YouTube horsepower. Car runs hard. It's, you know, 6-speed. I bang the gears and it goes sideways first, second, and third on those Mickey Thompson Pros. These are the best of the best tires you can get for traction, and it breaks it bad. But yeah, this is really not what I thought was gonna happen. You know, it's the first video, but hey, we here in Texas only get snow maybe once a year, so I figured why not. So hope you guys enjoyed that. The next video will be a POV video. Can't wait. I've been waiting 2 years building this car. Finally be able to, you know, rip on it and get some POV videos for you guys. So yep, go ahead and let you guys go. Say bye-bye. Say adios. Adios. The next video will be a POV video. Can't wait. I've been waiting 2 years building this car. Finally be able to, you know, rip on it and get some POV videos for you guys. So yep, go ahead and let you guys go. Say bye-bye. Say adios. Adios. All right, guys. And bye-bye from this video too.